We family in a salon and all over the world on a cushion on a cabo. And then also today, we can show people them when and how for vote for Maudo, what your win at Team Pampas they represent. Well, whenever Maudo they up for eviction, you can send the short code in at 20 to 5500. And waiting at eviction for people that we don't understand waiting at eviction. Eviction are where it day up. Where they want pull out of the house. And if we want let go out of the house, we go vote for them using the any AfriCell line. You can send 20 to 5500. So dear my family in salon and all over the world, when I vote for Maudo Team Pampas, we na a very good housemate na the house there with the big una.
My family all across the one world, una kushe, una cabo. Me a representative from the Pampas team. As we all know, say eviction can flow at any time. Then for Boda Maudo, anytime when I say eviction they up, they are the big for make una vote for send una vote 20 to 5500. Then are based on using AfriCell. And the only way we'll go make Maudo not go out of the house now, pass if we use we own effort. We own effort in sense, then I will send this vote to using AfriCell SIM. We 20 to 5500.
Well, family them, I want to say assalamu alaikum, hallelujah. First of all, I want to say congratulations for who know don't save me begin. Out of this big son, do you big that begin enough with a big son. The only way you can help them, what they call them for big son for the second time, now they code this. Send 20 to 5500. Only on eviction. Don't. Do you help them? You help them out though, but for them, you don't help them for winning this. Housemate Sierra Leone, Team Pampas for Maudo. All una use una free cell phone for vote for them. If you not sabi, friend you dearest neighbor where near you tell us say teach me how for vote for Maudo. You just the coincide message. You don't done. Now the code this. Send 20 to 5500. That birthday, now they save Maudo inside the house. Sierra Leonean. Team Pampas then on. Tata.